Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. P.K. Mishra. This video tutorial is on human resource management. Yes, this is part 5th in series, the video tutorial. 1. Lockout is a weapon available to A. Employees, B. Trade unions, C. Employers, D. Government. The correct option is C. Employers. To how the conflicts within employers and employees can be settled or prevented. A. Voluntary method. B. Government machinery. C. Statutory measures. D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. 3. The word workers' participation in management means. The correct option is D. Sharing the decision making with lower results of the employees. 4. What is the role of the trade union in collective bargaining? So here correct option is D. That indicates जितने भी ऑप्शंस ए बी एंड सी दिए हुए वो सब सही हैं. सो ए क्या है? Protect jobs and real earnings. B. Better conditions of work life for workers. C. Fighting against any possible exploitations. 5th. Which kind of workers participation makes the workers as shareholders of the company? The correct option is B. Participation through ownership. 6. Special allowances are not payable for A. Photostat copier operators. B. Adding machine operators. And C. Addressographs. D. All. So correct option is D. All. 7. 5 grievances should be redressed. Here correct option is D, where A, B and C all are correct. A affects the individual. B affects the management. C collective disputes converge. 8. The employer employees should have mutual trust, confidence, willingness to settle, respect rights and responsibility of other party is covered under, correct option is B here, essentials for effective bargaining. 9. Managerial functions in personnel management can be, where correct option is D here, both A and B. अब A में देखिए क्या लिखा हुआ है, planning, organizing, directing and controlling, and B, that is recruitment, placement, employment, development and motivation. So A and B are correct. 10. Discuss unfair management practices. Correct option is A here, non-compliance with promotional and transfer policies. 11. The core elements of HRM are, functions यहाँ दिए हुए हैं, A or 1 people, 2 management, 3 behavioral dynamics, 4 uniformity of application. So यहाँ पर correct option C है, इसमें कि first, second and fourth are correct, not behavioral dynamics. 12. What are the key HRM practices in Indian organizations? The correct option is D, where both A and B are correct. A and B means A में क्या दिया हुआ 1 2 3 5 6 and B 4th 7th 8th, मतलब जितने भी दिए हुए हैं वो सारे करेक्ट हैं. 1. What are the key HRM practices? So जितने listed हैं, 1 job description, 2 recruitment, 3 compensation, 4 training and development, 5th performance appraisal, 6th promotion and reward, 7th career planning and 8th gender equity. ये जितनी बातें हैं वो सब HRM practices में आती हैं. 13. In ODAS, teams are formed and team members report to 2 or more managers. In what type of organization? That is matrix organization. Correct option is C. 14. DAS refers to the attitudinal and behavioral characteristics of a group and is concerned with how groups form, their structure and process, and how they function. This is all known as group dynamics. So correct option is A. 15. Benchmarking is, हम पहले से देख लेते हैं. करेक्ट ऑप्शन यहाँ पर सी है. रिवर्स में आपको बात बता दें, हमने हर क्वेश्चन में जो भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन है उसको पहले से हाईलाइट कर रखे हैं, जिससे कि याद करने में आपको आसानी हो और ये रेडी रेफरेंस हो आपके लिए. सो यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी है, जहाँ पर कि बोथ ए एंड बी आर करेक्ट. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज given in A and what is in B. A, the process of comparing the business processes and performance metrics, including cost, cycle time, productivity to another that is widely considered to be an industry leader. B, a process in which the organizations the evaluate the various aspects of their processes in relation to the best practice companies processes usually within the career group defined for the purposes of comparison. 16. Reengineering starts with a high level assessment of organization's mission, B, strategic goals, C, customer demands. ये सारे ऑप्शन सही है. 17. Change management is both A and B are correct here. A, it is a systematic approach in dealing with change from the individual and organizational level. B, a gradual process of approach in the workplace due to new policies and technologies or even a new boss. Question number 18. What are the different processes of discipline management? यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी है, जिसमें कि फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ ऑप्शंस जो भी दिए हुए हैं ऊपर वो सारे सही. फर्स्ट का मतलब काउंसलिंग, सेकंड रिफॉर्मेटिव थ्योरी, थर्ड डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसेस, फोर्थ डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसीजर एंड प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस, and fifth principles of natural justice. 19. That involves all the performance monitoring measurement management being outsourced from a third party or an external organization. The correct option is D, performance management outsourcing. 20. Performance management system is, तीनों ऑप्शन यहाँ पर सही हैं, A, B and C. A, a formal structured system of measuring, evaluating job related behaviors and customs to discover regions of performance and how to perform effectively in future so that the employee, organization and society all benefits. B, a process of looking both to the future and to the past in the context of the collective performance of all employees in an organization. And C, the process of establishing goals, assessing employees and implement the annual performance appraisal process. 21. Key performance indicators, also known as KPI, here are A, B and C. जो तीनों में दिए हैं सारे सही हैं. A specific agreed measure of achievement within a KRA, that is key performance indicator, which go on to make up the goals and objectives measured under the performance appraisal process. B, objective, independent and standardized measures of performance, not ratings or judgments of performance. C, specific, measurable and attainable, realistic and time bound, which help to determine how much the KRAs are met. 22. What are the objectives of HRM? Given objectives here are 1. Societal objectives, B. Organizational, not B rather second, third functional objectives and fourth personal, fifth statistical. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स करेक्ट हैं, यानी कि करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 23. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग HRP प्रोसेस, जिसमें कि जो भी बातें ए, बी, सी और लिखी सब उसमें आ जाएंगे. A, a process by which an organization ensures that it has the right number and kind of people at the right place at the right time, capable of effectively and efficiently completing those tasks that will help the organization achieve its overall objectives. B, a process of forecasting an organization's future demand for and supply of the right type of people in the right numbers. C, a subsystem in the total organizational planning and facilitates the realization of the company's objectives by providing the right type and right number of personnel. 24. Who is responsible to manage change? So, B and C options are correct. Employee and management. 25. HRM refers to A and B both. A management function that helps managers to attract, set expectations, and develop members for an organization. B. A set of programs, functions, and activities designed and carried out for maximum efficiency. 26. How can a good employment brand help HR? So first, second, third, fourth and fifth जितने ऑप्शंस हैं वो सारे सही हैं. इनफैक्ट जो पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर, 1. कीप अहेड इन द टैलेंट वॉर. 2. attract and induce the right kind of people she is looking for. 3. enhance her ability to get quality resumes to choose from. 4. retain her existing employee pool. 5th. subsequently see a dip in employee turnover. 27. how an individual training needs are identified. Both B and C options are correct. B means only third and C second, first, second, fourth, fifth. तो दोनों मिला लेंगे अगर हम, तो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, यानी कि जितनी बातें लिखी हुई सब सही. फर्स्ट इज परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल, सेकंड इंटरव्यूज, थर्ड क्वेश्चनर्स, फोर्थ एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट सर्वेज एंड ट्रेनिंग फीडबैक, फिफ्थ. 28. What are the advantages of incentive based compensations? So यहाँ पर फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ ये चार एडवांटेज दिए हुए हैं, करेक्ट है. फर्स्ट इज incentives are important for inducements and motivation of workers for higher efficiency and greater output. Second, increase in employee earnings results in enhanced standard of living of employees. Third, productivity increases and production capacity too with reduced supervision. Fourth, companies can reduce the burden of fixed costs by keeping a portion of the remuneration as variable. 20. What are the roles of HRD professionals? So D here given all of the above were right from first to sixth. First, planning includes projections and planning for the skilled matrix of manpower required for the future organization. 2. Staffing, that is providing the competency matrix required to face future challenges. Third, employee development, that is identify cost effective and modern methods of training for skill and competency development. Fourth, performance management, developing an entire gamut of performance linked measures to align individual performance to the overall corporate performance. Fifth, employee rewards, with emphasis on pay performance and developing an incentive scheme that would reduce fixed costs at the same time being motivated. Sixth, maintaining quality of work life and discipline. With the impact of global workforce, it is necessary to develop a linked work life discipline for all employees in the organization. So these are the roles of HRD professionals. ये याद करने की और समझने की जरूरत है. 30. Job rotation can be defined as, all the options are correct here, A, B and C. A. Lateral transfer of employees among a number of different positions and tasks within jobs which requires different skills and responsibilities. B. It helps to understand the different steps into creating a product or delivery. C. It permits individuals to gain experience in various phases of the business. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.